Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you suffering from the weak Wi-Fi signal in all over your home since few days? Then don't worry, today we will solve this problem. In today's video we will learn how to factory reset NETGEAR Nighthawk X4 AC2200 Wi-Fi range extender in very easy steps. So without wasting any time, let's start the reset process. First of all, plug the extender into a working wall outlet. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED turns solid green or white, meaning the device is fully booted up. Locate the reset button. The reset button is a small hole usually on the side or bottom of the extender. You will need a paper clip, pin, or similar pointed object to press it. Insert the paper clip into the reset hole. Press and hold the button for about 10 seconds, until the power LED blinks amber/orange or the LEDs flash. This indicates the reset is in progress. Release the button and wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. The extender will reboot and the LEDs will stabilize. When the power LED turns solid, your extender has been reset to factory default settings. This will erase all custom settings, Wi-Fi name, password, etc., and restore the extender to factory defaults. After resetting the NETGEAR Nighthawk X4 AC2200 Wi-Fi range extender, you need to reset it. Plug it in near your router and wait for the power LED to turn solid. Connect to the default NETGEAR_XT Wi-Fi network, then open a browser and go to mywifi.ext.net to follow the on-screen setup instructions. You can also use the WPS button for a quick connection. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.